Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Cargowise honest review. Cargowise by WiseTech is an enterprise-grade logistic platform designed to streamline global operations, handling forwarding, customs, warehousing, accounting, and more across multiple countries. Its scalability and configurability make it ideal for large enterprises, with many top global forwarders relying on its automated EDI systems and continuous product investments, including Cargowise Net. However, the platform comes with a steep learning curve. Setup, onboarding, and training can be complex and costly. The interface is often described as outdated and cluttered, with occasional performance issues like freezing or slow transitions. Customer support can be slow, and high licensing fees add to the investment. In short, CargoWise is a powerhouse for large scale logistics operations, offering unmatched functionality and scale, but smaller or mid-sized companies may find its cost, complexity, and interface challenging. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.